Mr. Chancellor, it is my enormous pleasure to present to you Professor Harold Slavkin, a most remarkable person in terms of the breadth of his scholarly activity, his exceptional leadership, and the social conscience he has shown for dentistry and oral health. Professor Slavkin has been one of the initiators and leaders of the discipline of craniofacial biology. He discovered and mapped the gene encoding the major protein of tooth enamel and is known worldwide for his groundbreaking research on the genetics of craniofacial, oral, and dental development. Professor Slavkin established a visionary and highly productive Center for Craniofacial Molecular Biology, which became a world-leading research group at the University of Southern California in Los Angeles, and later he became dean of this prestigious dental school. He served as director of the National Institutes of Dental and Craniofacial Research at the National Institutes of Health, the former being the USA's and the world's leading agency funding and promoting dental, oral, and craniofacial research. In this role, he led the preparation of the first ever Surgeon General's report on oral health in America, one of the most influential documents in dentistry over the past 2 decades, and provided leadership for the oral health components of the American Department of Health Services reports Healthy People 2000 and Healthy People 2010. Superimposed on these remarkable scientific and leadership activities, he has always been a strong advocate for federal and state oral health programs for vulnerable children and elderly adults. Monsieur le Chancelier, je vous présente Professor Harold Slavkin pour que vous puissiez lui conférer le grade de docteur et lettres honoris causa.
I'd like now to invite Dr. Slavkin to say a few words of convocation. Dr. Slavkin.
First and most importantly, congratulations to the class of 2015 in both the medical school and dental school. Congratulations. As you can readily see, I have just become an alumni of McGill University, and I am very proud of this moment. "51 years ago, I was a junior dental student at the University of Southern California and had a chance meeting with a gentleman named Richard Grulich, who was involved in the starting of a dental school at UCLA in Los Angeles. He invited me as a junior dental student to work in his laboratory, and I eagerly accepted while going to dental school. I learned how to breed mice, how to inject them with radioactive isotopes, how to do histology, how to dip slides in photographic emulsion, and how to do a technique called autoradiography. I later learned that Dick Grulich graduated with a PhD from McGill University. He was the student of Professor Charles Slavkin, the chairman of anatomy and cell biology at McGill. And a year later, Dick and I wrote a chapter in a book called Advances in Radioautography, edited by His Highness Charles Slavkin. So I want to thank these outstanding McGill legacy characters for shaping my destiny, for introducing me to experimentation, the value of ideas and words and concepts. Thank you, Dick Grulich. Thank you, Charles LeBlond, and thank you, McGill University.